everyone, welcome back to TechLight, your space to learn SQL step by step with real beginner friendly practice. Today's lesson is all about handling null values in SQL. Knowing how to work with missing data is crucial for real databases, projects, and interviews. We will insert records with null, filter them, avoid common mistakes, and practice everything on Oracle SQL command line. Day 6, I told about order by class and how to sort it, ascending order and descending order. Now I'm going to discuss about null values. Let us see what is a null value in an SQL. Null means missing or unknown or no value assigned. Null is not same as zero or an empty string. Null means the value is absent, means it does not contain any value. Null does not mean zero or an empty string. Okay, why null happens? Why null happens means data entry incomplete. Due to entry incomplete and information not available and fields are intentionally left blank. For example, insert into student 1 of student ID, name, age, course, values 5. Let me write an example. Why null happens is insert into student 1 of student ID, name, age, course, values of 5 are here I put null value. Null does not mean 0 or an empty string. Null means fields are intentionally left blank. Okay. Age is unknown for Arun. So I put null value in the place of age. Okay. Now we have to filter records with null value. Let me first insert this null value in our SQL table. Let's see the row, how many rows and what are the data present in our student table. Yeah, now you see this is the data present in my student table. There are four columns, four rows, four columns and four rows. Now I'm going to insert a data. Then you have to type it. Insert into table name. My table name is student 1 of column name student ID, comma name, comma age, comma course, values of, let me insert ID is 5, comma Arun, and a age I don't know, but I mean intentionally inserting age is null for Arun, and course is SQL. Click on enter. Our row is created. Let's see. Yes, this is inserted. Let's filter records with null. Check for null is using is null or not. Let me select start from student 1 where age is null. Is null. It will filter records where age is missing. Now we got the above query. I'm going to select the star from student 1 table where age is null. Means here I am filtering the student record whose age is null. Whose age is null is Arun. Arun age is null. Okay? Now you see. Now I'm going to filter the student data whose age is not null. Means whose age is known. Let me write a query. Select star from student 1 where age is not null. You can write it caps or smalls. It will execute. You see, these are the students data whose age is not null. Okay. Let us see what are the common mistakes of using equal to for null. We can't use we can't use equal to for null assignment. Let us see. Select star from student 1 where age equal to null. It will throw an error. Always use is null for comparison. No rows will get selected. For that we have to use is null. Okay, now it will get execute. And not is not null for not to retrieve the data whose values are known. And is null for to retrieve the data whose values are null. Okay, let's insert more data into our table. Okay, here Mira's age is not known. And let's insert one more row whose course is null. Let's see whether the data is inserted properly or not by using select command. Okay, our data is inserted properly. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 rows. Okay, Arun and Mira's age are null values and Sam course is null value. Let us find the students missing age but enrolled in SQL. Okay, you got it? I have to find students with missing age but enrolled in SQL. How many are enrolled in SQL? Priya and Arun are enrolled in SQL. And I also want to find whose age is null. Means those students who are enrolled in SQL and their age is null. Means it will produce Arun data only. Okay, let's execute the query. Let's write the query first. Select star from student 1. I have to where age is null and I have to use AND operator and course equal to SQL. So now you got it, semicolon, enter. It will produce the result as Arun data only. Now you understood how to write a query Okay. There are some common beginner mistakes to avoid is using equal to or angular braces with null. Always use is null or is not null. Assuming null equal to 0 is they are different. Null is different and 0 is different. Okay, null here, if you write Arun age as 0, it will have an value Arun age is 0. That does not mean Arun age is null. Arun age is not null means we don't know and there is no data in the table. You see here there is an empty and Sam course is empty. There is no course. There is a pro tip, always test your queries with both known and unknown values. Okay? Practice. Write SQL queries to find students with missing age. For missing age Arun. And show the students with known course. Whose course is known. Means except Sam, all the data will be printed. Okay. Insert a record with null in one field. Now insert course. Insert another record, another row in a table whose ID is 8 and name is your name and age is your age, but the course ID should be null. Okay. If you find any difficulty while inserting data in a table and while performing is null or is not null and showing any errors, just comment your queries. I will check and help correct mistakes. Okay, great job. You have now learned how to handle null values. A must know skill when working with incomplete data or real world databases. In the next video, we will explore SQL constraints like not null, unique, and more, which help maintain data integrity. Okay, completed the viewer task? Just comment null task done. I will check your queries personally. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe to TechLight and share this video to your friends and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update in our SQL journey. Practical to SQL tutorials are coming your way. Keep practicing. I will see you in day 8 of our SQL series. Stay ahead, stay TechLight. Do subscribe to TechLight for more videos. Thank you for watching.